How to replace your lost income with a successful online business. In this video, we'll discuss how to replace your lost income with a successful online business. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. With the economy in constant turmoil, many are experiencing a financial crunch with lost jobs or, at the very least, lost income due to slow business. Fortunately, you don't have to settle for less income. There are plenty of income opportunities online to fit your schedule, business budget, and skills. Let's explore two main ways to replace lost income with online profits. Work from home through online marketing. Marketing online and helping others promote their business is a great way to get started. Thankfully, there are companies that will help you with minimum cost. You can automate your business to sell services for you while you're away or asleep. Also, you can provide products and services to your potential customers through email automatically with a follow-up system. With this type of business, the marketing company that provides the service usually charges a one-time sign-up fee and an ongoing monthly or yearly fee to help you start and operate your business. All you do is set up your home business website and then start promoting their services or products. The business will run on autopilot to sell and provide customer service to your new clients. Usually, this type of business operates similarly to an MLM business, but may also offer products or services for sale. Many are earning six-figure incomes with this type of setup, but they do work hard at promotions and marketing on a day-to-day basis, as with any other type of business. Replace income with your personal or business skills. Think of the skills you have developed over the years. Can you type, sew, cook, write, design web pages, or conduct research? Can you make crafts, design graphics, or offer counseling in some area? The possibilities are endless. Only you know what you love doing the most and what skills you possess. These can be turned into an amazing business earning a six-figure income once the business starts to grow. To start a business based on your skills, determine what you will offer, how much you will need to charge, and how you will handle customer service, shipping, and so forth. Then, create your own website to promote your products or services. Make sure your website offers plenty of useful content pertaining to your products. Also, create an email newsletter or e-zine to follow up with your visitors. This will boost your income more than any other technique. For some services, you might also offer your talents through freelance websites to find new clients. Are you enjoying the video? Be sure to leave a like and share it with your friends. Promotion tools to replace lost income. Once you determine the type of online business that's right for you, it's time to promote your website. Some promotion tools can help you replace income, while others might only cost you more money. Methods that are costly but might not be targeted include banner ads, pop-up ads, and classified ads. These three methods can be targeted to certain types of websites, but be sure the marketing company allows you to specify the audience you'd like to reach. Otherwise, it's a waste of advertising dollars. Promotion methods that are affordable and effective include pay-per-click search engines, e-zine advertising, and content-based ads. These can reach your target audience without breaking a wallet because you're able to select the very audience that would be interested in your products. Goal or part-time income opportunities. The internet offers many income opportunities for either full-time or part-time depending on your schedule and income needs. For part-time income, it's probably best to sign on with a company that can set up a business for you. This will save you much time and energy, so you can focus on promotions only during your limited hours. Many entrepreneurs start out online as part-timers, but end up quitting their day jobs once established. You can earn a great income online too, by allowing others who are already as successful to lead the way. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.